Today we are creating a classic and aesthetic instant Polaroid photo effect, the kind that makes your video look like it's developing right in front of your eyes, just like an old school Polaroid camera. This is perfect for travel edits, nostalgic moments, and aesthetic storytelling videos. Let's get right into it. First, import your video into CapCut and tap it to select the clip. Now, go to the Effects button at the bottom toolbar. Next, tap Video Effects, and remember, effects in CapCut Mobile apply directly on the clip you select. From the category list, go to the Motion tab. Here, look for an effect called Polaroid Simulation and tap to apply it. Instantly, you'll see your video transform into a Polaroid style frame with a developing animation effect, giving it a nostalgic and aesthetic look. To adjust how the effect plays, tap on the effect again. You'll find a speed slider. Slide right to speed up the Polaroid reveal. Slide left for a slower, more dramatic development effect. You can also drag the effect on the timeline to increase or decrease how long the Polaroid stays visible. And that's it. You've successfully added the instant Polaroid photo effect in CapCut Mobile, giving your edit a beautiful retro and cinematic touch. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.